We were having a panel where we discussed about new European Chips Act. They call it Chips Act 2.0. And the idea was that we as panelists, we were part of the industry advisory group that was preparing at least one of the key inputs to European Commission while they are preparing this. Idea was to improve the current Chips Act that is already in power. And as we are a company that is doing critical systems for Europe and globally even, telecommunication, defense and such things, so we wanted to have in this Chips Act more emphasis on strategic systems chip design. And I think that it looks like it's currently now well taken into account in the new proposal. So we were having quite positive attitude related to this new European Chips Act. It will improve Europe's position with critical technologies. Oh yeah, I have been only a very short time. I came yesterday evening from another event in Brussels. I have been here before, of course, so I know that it's a beautiful city combining the historical parts and the very modern era. And let's say the experience now past like 12-13 hours, very positive. I have a nice hotel in the city center, so it was very lively there in the evening. People were looking like they are quite happy here. Of course, in the morning you see sunshine and the sea and everything, so it looks like very positive environment. Although in Finland also we have quite nice weather in summertime like now, so that is not a huge change as such. But I would say that if I come here in November, this might be really much better here. And I heard about the Valencia Silicon collaboration, the campus and the cluster approach here. And it was very nice to see the public governmental offices strong support for the industry, or collaboration even.